Hello, my name is Shane Downs, and in this video, I will be discussing the current state of racial diversity in the National Hockey League and also what's next for the league. In October of this year, the NHL released its demographic statistics based on a survey it conducted for the first time in program history. The report confirms many long-standing concerns that the NHL's fan base, player base, and workforce consist of a majority white and male demographic. These NHL demographic statistics differ from many other popular sports in America like football and basketball, where people of color dominate those player bases. The issues with having a low percentage of people of color in the NHL are racist incidents, lack of access to hockey to underserved groups, and a lack of people of color in leadership positions. Players Matt Dumba and Nazem Kadri helped create the Hockey Diversity Alliance, which players of color use to advocate for increased representation of minorities in hockey. Dumba has advocated for targeted action against racism, which an incident in 2019 against Nigerian-born player Akeem Alu sparked increased action to hire more minority candidates in the NHL. Also, Dumba has criticized the so-called Old Boys Network, which is a system of receiving an administrative job in sports leagues due to connections, oftentimes from a small, tight-knit group of white elites. And this is according to our lecture on November 8th about African aesthetics in sports. The NHL has said an effort to reshape the way underserved communities view hockey and create more access to hockey, which is a very expensive sport, is in the works. The Old Boys Network presents a major issue for not only the NHL but other sports leagues in America. In $40 Million Slaves by William Rhoden, Rhoden details the story of how Lucia Harris dedicated her life to the Delta State University women's basketball program, but then when she applied for a coaching role, she lost it to a white man. This is just one example of qualified black sports figures being denied administrative roles in sports. Rhoden attributes the lack of black representation in coaching to stereotypes that black people are intellectually inferior to white people. Kadri and Dumba's Hockey Diversity Alliance, along with the NHL, plan to take steps to improving diversity and inclusion in hockey after centuries of having white people dominate every aspect of the sport. These are the sources I used to report on this topic. Thank you for watching this video.